Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to walk you through how to create a personalized fitness plan using ChatGPT. But before we jump in, we've got a free step-by-step guide you can download to follow along with the tutorial. It's super easy. Just click the link below, grab your guide, and you'll be all set. Alright, let's get into it. Before we dive into crafting the perfect fitness plan, it's important to know where you're starting from. Understanding your current fitness level helps set realistic goals and ensures your plan is tailored just for you. So let's ask ChatGPT to help us assess our fitness level. So here's the prompt that I put together right here. So you can see, and then once it's all set, then here we go. Once you've sent the prompt, as you can see here, ChatGPT will ask you a series of questions, mainly test and how to perform results, each in the corresponding sections on how to assess your fitness. As you can see, there's body composition, balance and stability, overall fitness level, and then there are the next steps right here. As you can see, it says here, would you like to go through any of these assessments in more detail, or do you have any specific concerns or goals? It depends on your best interest if you would like your fitness assessment to have more details or go through your personal concerns or goals. So, in the meantime, with these questions, they are key in identifying your strengths and the areas where you might need a little extra focus. This assessment is the foundation on which your entire fitness plan will be built, ensuring it's both effective and achievable. Now that we have a clear picture of where we stand, the next step is to set some realistic fitness goals. Having well defined goals gives you a sense of direction and keeps you motivated as you work through your plan. Let's ask ChatGPT again to help us outline these goals. So here's the one that I came up with. See? Help me outline achievable milestones, set the time period right here, and yeah, and here we go. So after sending this prompt, ChatGPT will then break down your goals into manageable steps. As you can see, there are goals right here, blah, blah, blah. It could suggest a range of milestones, like increasing your workout frequency or gradually improving your endurance. These suggestions will be tailored to your current fitness level and what you want to achieve. These milestones are essential because they provide a roadmap to your success, ensuring that your goals are challenging yet attainable. This way, you can track your progress and stay on course without feeling overwhelmed. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys! Now that we've set some realistic goals, it's time to map out how you'll achieve them. A balanced weekly workout schedule is essential for making steady progress. It should include a good mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. So let's see how ChatGPT can help us put this together. So here's the prompt right here, just as I stated earlier, that came up together with this prompt, and there. Once you've sent the prompt, like so, ChatGPT will craft a workout schedule tailored to your needs. It might suggest something like, for example, see, cardio on Monday. Okay, this might be a bit slow, but it might take a while. Okay, there we go. Tuesday with strength. There we go. Back to cardio and focusing on lower body strength. There we go. And yeah, cardio and flexibility on Saturday, Sunday, rest and active recovery. And yeah. So, what's great about ChatGPT is that it can further customize this plan based on your specific goals, whether what's building muscles, improving endurance, or something else entirely. Plus, it can make adjustments if you have any physical limitations or preferences, ensuring your workout plan is perfectly suited to you. So you can see overall here the following that ChatGPT generated, and yeah, see, no fitness plan is truly complete without the right nutrition to back it up. A balanced diet not only fuels your workouts, but also helps you recover and reach your fitness goals faster. And so, let's ask ChatGPT once more to help us create a nutrition plan that complements our fitness routine. So here it is. Just as I stated earlier, here, putting together through this prompt. And here's what I asked. And there. Once more, since I've sent the prompt, ChatGPT will take into account your fitness goals, whether that's building muscle, losing weight, or simply maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and provide you with a tailored meal plan. See? And it could suggest a higher protein intake if muscle gain is your goal, or a balanced calorie deficit if weight loss is your focus. So, see if you can see, I'll scroll it up. Or maybe I can just go up here and then I'll slowly scroll it down to see the overall results right here. And yeah, beyond just meal plans, ChatGPT can also offer snack ideas, hydration tips, and advice on how to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients that your body needs. This way, your nutrition supports your fitness journey every step of the way. And there you have it, a complete personalized fitness plan created with the help of ChatGPT. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your plan and adjust as needed.